Today, we will learn how to grant sudo privileges to an existing user on Ubuntu. This means giving that user the ability to run commands with administrative rights. This is useful when the user needs to perform tasks that require higher permissions. First, open a terminal window. You will need to have access to an account that already has sudo privileges. If you are not logged in as that user, switch to it now. Next, type the following command to edit the sudoers file safely. Sudo visudo. This command opens the sudoers file in a text editor. It is important to use visudo because it checks for errors before saving. Mistakes in this file can cause serious problems. Scroll down until you see a section with user privilege specifications. You will add a new line here to grant sudo rights to your user. Suppose the username you want to give sudo access to is username. Add this line below the existing ones. Username all. All this means the user username can run any command as any user on this machine. After adding the line, save and exit the editor. If you are using the default editor, Nano, press Ctrl+O to save, then Ctrl+X to exit. Now, the user username has sudo privileges. If you want to remove the sudo privileges later, just repeat the steps and delete the line you added in the sudoers file. That is how you grant sudo privileges to an existing user on Ubuntu. Thank you for watching.